Hey there, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting quiz session for you, all about pronouns in English. Pronouns are an essential part of our language, so testing your knowledge of them is a great way to improve your grammar skills. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our quizzes and language tips. Now, let's dive into the world of pronouns with 10 fun and challenging quizzes. And that's it for our 10 quizzes on pronouns in English. How did you do? Be sure to share your scores in the comments below, and let us know what other grammar topics you'd like to see quizzes on in the future. If you enjoyed this quiz session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest language content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more exciting English quizzes and tips. Goodbye.